Noise is everywhere. In our lives, at school, in the bar, in our commute, in our calls.
Noise obscures speech and information we desire.
Naturally, when it's hard to understand what's being said in a noisy situation, we often derive meaning with the help of other modalities. What could happen if we use this multimodal approach to make noisy situations less unintelligible in some technology? Conference calls or Skype-like systems already use video and audio streams. But most state-of-the-art systems do not use the visual modality to improve their audible intelligibility. We recorded a lecture tracking depth and position of a speaker via Kinect, while recording 6 channels of audio from an array of microphones. Think of it as having 6 ears. Using advanced mathematics and several different processes known as beamforming, we can combine the 2 modalities to improve intelligibility. So we set up a thorough test with 34 participants from 10 different countries. And the results? They speak for themselves.
Are you the Greek?
Yes.
Charalambos or something like that? Who's been doing your military services? Are you the Greek?
Yes.
Charalambos or something like that? Who's been doing your military services?